Morning, folks. I wanted to show you a little bit what was going on in the northern mountains up outside of Boone. This bridge here has been compromised severely. The DOTs had to come in here and put some gravel and stuff in to keep the bridge from and the road from washing on in. But as you can see, they even washed the cables out that was buried underground. But it's completely compromised. They've had a lot of water up here. I don't see so many trees down here, but I do see where there's been a lot of rainfall up here, and a lot of the stuff has been washed out, and a lot of silt, a lot of mud, and so forth. But I just wanted to show you a little bit about what was going on. I don't see any sign much of a lot of wind up here as far as down trees and stuff. What I'm seeing is where there was major flooding and a lot of stuff's been washed out. But I wanted to bring this to you this morning, show you a little bit about what was going on. I appreciate you joining us today on Deep River Farm.